The way we address these challenges is that we, of course, need to understand the business requirements, and we need to have a technology stack that actually enables us to fulfill all the requirements. And on top of that, also to sort of plan for the future. So we can't lock ourselves into, for example, one specific business model. We need to have a open and flexible way of handling these different approaches or requirements. And the way we addressed that was to use the Infinova platform for our business support services, which also provides a good ecosystem, or at least it enables an ecosystem with our partners and customers. And by using that platform, it gives us the freedom to explore different business models and different setups. Well, I would say the fact that we're actually launching services and products onto the market is the key business benefit. Now, that itself is nothing unique, of course, but we're doing it while we're doing innovation, while we're exploring totally new grounds for Telia. So we're kind of doing things no one has done before. We're not sure if we're doing the right things, but it's still, we have achieved a good level of revenue income. We are scaling up. We have a multi-tenant setup, so we are launching in several countries simultaneously with all different type of requirements and regulations that is coming out of that. For example, different tax regulations, etc. And we're doing it in a fast way. So we're not talking about a long time for launching these products and services. We are trying things out. As I said, we're not sure if we're doing the right things, but we have launched, we are redefining things that we have launched, and we're doing that in a fast and flexible way.
I think the main key factor for uniqueness is, first of all, the mindset that we have developed working with the platform and with the business. So we can really onboard services in a really fast way. And it's more like a culture from the business and also from the IT perspective, that we know that we maybe not have the best solution, and maybe this service which we are launching now will fail, but at least we will find out that it will fail very fast, and we will learn, and we can reuse the existing processes what we have developed during the launching of a new service. The uniqueness is here really that we have developed a framework for the business and also for the IT, that we can launch services to the market in around 8 weeks. It goes from the idea, from an investigation, how this service can be launched, which functionality we need from the different IoT systems, and also that we can then launch it to the market with the correct pricing and also invoice the different partners. Important for us is here that we can integrate with different ecosystems very fast, and that is allowing us with the API framework from TMF Forum. If you look at our digital platform and you see how we are growing every year, every month we are getting new services, we also have the challenge that we have to connect to different ecosystems, to different IoT systems. They are really different. One is more in the area from digital health, the other one is more on smart buildings or connected vehicles. So there are a lot of different technology and different frameworks. But here we took the approach that we have aligned really very closely to the APIs from TMF Forum, that allows us also that we have a common communication between the IT architects. Also on the business level, helps us to connect the different bits and pieces very easily. And then the implementation time is reduced really enormous over the last weeks and months, which we are working with the different ecosystems. So it means that to have a common API over the whole ecosystems, different ecosystems, helps us to speed up to onboard new services.